Number 8 says, the Great Wall of China is the longest wall ever built. It is about 4,000 miles long and 26 feet tall. Find its length in kilometers. 1 mile is 1.609 kilometers equals 5,280 feet. Answer in units of kilometers. So we want to take 4,000 miles long because we're looking at the length. The 26 feet is irrelevant to us right here. So we want to start with 4,000 miles is the place that we're always going to start is by what it gives us. So we start with 4,000 miles. As is the case with any conversion, we want to multiply by some conversion factor where the top and the bottom of the conversion factor are equal. So I want to get from miles and I want to convert to kilometers. So since miles is here all by itself, I want to take miles from the top and put miles in the bottom. I want to convert from miles to kilometers. I'm looking for kilometers. So if I know a conversion directly from miles to kilometers, I can use it. And this tells me that 1 mile is the same as 1.609 kilometers. So I can put 1 mile on the bottom and 1.609 kilometers on the top. Now, since 1 mile is the same as 1.609 kilometers, this means the top and the bottom are the same here. So I have miles as units here, and I have miles as units here. That means this miles cancels out this miles. So I have 4,000 times 1.609 will give me my number of kilometers. And as is the case, I'm not going to do the math for you. I'll let you do that. So that would be my answer to number 8. Number 9 says find its length in meters. So now I've already got something in kilometers that I want to convert to meters. So I'm going to take my answer from right up above. Whatever this answer is, I'm going to start there. So I'm going to take that answer that's going to give me so many kilometers, and I want to convert that to meters. So I'm going to do times and draw a line. I have kilometers. I want to put kilometers in the bottom, and I want to put meters up top because I'm looking for units of meters. So kilometers to meters. Which is bigger, a kilometer or a meter? Well, clearly a kilometer is longer distance than a meter. So 1 kilometer has how many meters? Now, this is something you're going to have to remember. You're going to have to remember that there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So this will give you an answer here, where kilometers is on the bottom, kilometers is on the top. So you'll take this number, multiply by 1,000, and that'll give you a new answer in units of meters. So that's question number 9. Question number 10 asks you to find its length in centimeters. So I can use this answer that I now have in meters, whatever this answer is, and use that as my next conversion. Let me start there. So I'm going to start with this many meters, and feel free to leave it in scientific notation if that's where it is. And I'm going to do times and draw a line. Since meters is here, I want meters in the bottom. I can put centimeters up top because that's what I'm looking for. Now, what's the relationship between meters and centimeters? Which is bigger? Well, 1 meter is bigger than a centimeter, so I'm going to put 1 meter here. How many centimeters are in a meter? It might help remember how many cents are in a dollar. Well, there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So now meters is on the bottom and meters is on the top. Those cancel out. So whatever this number is times 100 will give me how many centimeters is the length of the Great Wall of China.